This video I'll be showing you how you can use the Gemini AI. So it's very simple. You can get it on Apple Store and Google Play Store too as well. So after launching it, just tap on the use Gemini. Good. This is how the interface looks like, just like other AIs. Very simple and easy. So automatically they've signed me in because I have my email signed in on my Google Play Store. So you can start with everything. So you can send a hi. Let me start with that, just like you're on other AIs. The interface is all the same, I think. Good. So that's it. I send it a hi and it replies me. So now if you want to upload a file, you just tap on the plus button there. Good. And you can see you can take a picture, gallery and files, even from your Google Drive because it's for them, and then Notebook LM. I have a review on that. And here too, you can tap on this here. Good. If you want to create an image, a Canva, if you want deep research, yeah, you can choose any of them, or guided learning. So you select that before you enter your prompt. And then this is the model. So we have the Flash, we have the 301 Pro, and we have all of them here. You can select the AI model that you want it to answer your questions for you. You can do a voice note. You can see when I tap on that, my audio is going to turn off, but then you can do the voice notes as well. And this is also, you see the feature there, you can talk with the AI live, just like you can do on Google AI and other AIs too as well. So now let's tap on the hamburger menu, top left corner of our screen, and you're going to see everything here. You get it, your chat and everything here is going to appear here. You can long press to delete it. You can rename it, you can pin it, and you can delete it. Simple. It looks like other AIs. Very simple and easy. The interface is all the same. So now you tap on the three bars on top there, and then you delete your chat you are into as well. Yeah, very simple. Now let's come to the new chat, and now let's try to hop on our account. So with the new chat, we try to hop on our account by tapping on our account picture there. So here, since this is for AI, you can manage your Google account you have here to do some settings. And now let's tap on the setting button here. Good. And now you can change the Gemini settings, the voice, and all. You can change everything here. Good. Very simple and easy. The languages too, you can tap on here to change the language, the main language and all that. So that's it on how to use the Gemini app. Very simple, but this has more features because it's kind of linked to Google. Yeah, so your Gmail and everything will be saved here. So that's it. If you are new here, you just give me a like and subscribe to the channel. Peace.